Good morning, students of class 9B. Today we are going to discuss geography project work. This is the cover page. Here you will write the name of the school, and at the top of the name of the school here you will make the logo of the school. After that you will write geography project, your name, class, section, roll number, session, that is 2020 and 21, and below of that you write the topic. That is topic is longitude and time. So this should be pasted at the top of the cover file. You will use cover file, not the channel file. This page should be pasted at the top of the cover file, and that should be made by your hand. You will not get the printout or any other source. You will make this page in decorated form, and you will paste at the top of the cover file. In page number 1 you write acknowledgement. As you have written in mathematics project, you write the same. I would like to thank Mr. here name of your subject teacher for his valuable guidance and help. He clarified all my queries about the project, without which I would not have been able to complete the project. I would also like to thank my family for providing all necessary materials and my friends for helping me with this project. This was page number 1. In page number 2 you will write the contents. There will be one table for that. In one column serial number, in the second name of the topic, in third page number. Suppose here serial number 1, so the first topic is EGAWLS formula. What is this formula? It came in page number 3, so I wrote here page number 3. Number 2, variation in Indian Standard Time and GMT. It may come in page number 4. It will take 1 page or 2 pages, that depends on your writing. So you can extend the page numbers if it will take more than 1 page. Serial number 3, time zones, introduction and importance. Here it may take 3 pages. Next, international dateline, introduction and importance. It may take also 3 pages. After that, numerical problems. It may take 10 pages, 11 pages or 12 pages, that depends on your writing. So for that you will write here the page number. So this page should be prepared after completing the project work. Then you can justify how many pages all these topics separately all these topics have taken. So at last you will refer the page numbers. This page should be prepared at last of the project work, but its place is page number 2. This will attach, this page of content will attach as page number 2 just after acknowledgement. One topic is left here. I don't have this page, so I am writing serial number 6, and the column of topic you will write here bibliography. For that you will refer the page number that side, maybe 21 or 22 or 23. So this side you will write the page number. This serial number 6 will come here to write this. I could not get place, so I wrote here. What is this bibliography? I have explained in mathematics project also. The name of sources from where you are getting all these informations, you will write. And after that we go through the explanation of all these topics. Now, the explanation of those contents. First was EGA and WLLS formula. What do we know about this formula? It means if this is a Greenwich Mean Time, 0 degree longitude, when we go towards east, then time is added. East gain added. So time, when we go towards east, we gain the time, and that time is added. For each degree of longitude, time varies 4 minutes, that you will see. And when you will move towards west, then we lose the time, and time will be subtracted. This formula you have to explain, and the base of explanation should be the variation in time for each degree of longitude. And ultimately you will give example also. Examples, 1 or 2 examples you will give at last of this explanation, that how does time is added towards east, how is time added towards east, and how is time subtracted towards west from Greenwich Mean Time. Second is variation in Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time. Variation between IST, this is Indian Standard Time, and GMT. This variation you show through mathematical representation. Mathematical representation. As we know, the Indian time is 5.5 hours ahead from 5.5 hours ahead from GMT. How is 5.5 hours ahead from GMT? You show this calculation mathematically. Then our next topic is time zone. Time zone. It's you will write its introduction, and importance. When you write the importance, then you verify those importance giving some examples. Number 4, you write about international deadline, IDL, international deadline. Again, 2 things: introduction and importance. With examples. And fifth topic, that is the numerical problem. You will get few numerical problems to solve mathematically Those are based on the rules and regulations of IDL, or we say GMT or time zone, that you have to think which one you will use to solve those problems. So I shall mention those numerical problems in this section. And the last part of numerical problems, you will have 3 questions that you have to solve clearly, and if you require to draw the diagram, you must draw in decorative way. And all these mathematical calculations should be very clearly written. These 3 questions are: calculate the longitude of the position of a ship whose navigation officer observes that GMT is 1836 hours, means 18 hours 36 minutes, when the ship's local time is 12 noon. Question number 2, what is the time and date at a certain place X? Latitude of that place is 25 degree north and longitude is 35 degree west. When it is 2:30 am on Thursday at a place Y, latitude is 25 degrees south and longitude is 22 degree east. What is the time and date of a certain place X, whose latitude is given, longitude is given, and the time of the place Y is given 2:30 am on Thursday, and its location is given, latitude is 25 degrees south and longitude is 22 degree east. And the last question is, a cricket match commences at Delhi 77 degree at 10 am. That's 77 degree east, I think so. Yeah, this 77 degree east, this is the longitude, eastern longitude. A cricket match commences at 77 degree east at 10 am on Sunday. What will be the local time of Sydney? Local time, not times, local time at Sydney, that is 150 degree east, and New York, that is 74 degree west, when the commentary is received. So you are working clearly. In all these 3 questions, your working should be very clearly written, and if you need a diagram, you must draw the diagram in decorative way. And after this mathematical calculations, the last page you will write about the bibliography, that is the name of the sources from where have you got these ideas to solve or to write the topics. The last date to, here I am writing last date. Last date to submit the project file is 7th September. I hope it will not take a long time. All these topics are very easy. Those are given in your textbook. You take the help of your textbook, or other sources also you can use. But everything you write in decorative way, in good manner and neat and clean, and must follow this last date. 7th September you have to submit.